Today, the Barber Quarter series stands as one of the most respected and passionately collected chapters in United States numismatics. Hidden within worn edges and softly faded designs are stories of rarity, minting challenges, collector rivalries, and soaring market values that continue to ignite excitement. In the next few moments, you're going to discover why a single silver quarter can command thousands of dollars, how tiny details separate ordinary survivors from elite treasures, and what drives collectors to chase these historic coins with relentless dedication. 1893 Barber Quarter Dollar Coin. The 1893 Barber Quarter Dollar occupies a fascinating position within the Barber series, not because it is the rarest date overall, but because it captures a transitional era of American coinage and presents a rich blend of availability, condition rarity, and historical depth. The Barber design itself was introduced in 1892, created by Chief Engraver Charles E. Barber. It replaced the seated Liberty design and reflected a more conservative and classical artistic approach, mirroring European coinage styles of the time. Lady Liberty appears wearing a Phrygian cap and laurel wreath, symbolizing freedom and victory, while the reverse displays a heraldic eagle clutching arrows and an olive branch, representing strength and peace. By 1893, the design was still new to the public, and the nation was experiencing economic instability tied to the Panic of 1893, one of the most severe economic depressions of the era. This context impacted coin circulation, hoarding behavior, and mint operations. The Philadelphia Mint produced approximately 2.8 million quarters that year, while branch mints in New Orleans and San Francisco contributed additional quantities. While the raw mintage numbers are not extraordinarily low, true survival rates in collectible condition are significantly smaller due to heavy circulation and silver melting over the decades. Design details on the 1893 Barber Quarter can vary dramatically depending on strike quality. Many examples show weakness in Liberty's hair strands and the word Liberty on the headband, which often becomes faint or partially worn even on lightly circulated coins. The eagle's breast feathers and wingtips are also high points prone to wear. Collectors place strong premiums on coins where these features remain clear and well-defined, especially when original surfaces and natural toning are present. Errors and varieties play an important role in elevating collector interest. Die cracks, repunched mint marks on branch mint issues, off-center strikes, and rotated dies occasionally surface. These minting anomalies offer tangible evidence of the manual processes used during late 19th century production. Although dramatic errors are scarce, even minor varieties can significantly increase value due to the already limited pool of surviving examples. Market value for the 1893 Barber Quarter varies widely based on condition and mint origin. Well-worn examples remain accessible to entry-level collectors, while mid-grade coins steadily rise in price as supply tightens. High-grade survivors with sharp detail, attractive toning, and minimal surface marks can command thousands of dollars at auction. Certified examples often generate intense bidding competition, particularly when population reports confirm limited availability in higher grades. Collector demand remains strong because the 1893 issue fits neatly into multiple collecting strategies. Date collectors seek it as part of complete Barber Quarter sets. Type collectors appreciate its representation of early Barber artistry, and investors value its consistent historical performance in the silver coin market. The combination of moderate rarity, aesthetic appeal, and strong liquidity makes it a cornerstone coin for serious numismatists. Long-term outlook for the 1893 Barber Quarter remains favorable. As more collectors pursue complete sets and older collections become absorbed into permanent holdings, the available supply of attractive examples continues to shrink. This natural scarcity, paired with steady demand, supports gradual appreciation and sustained market interest. 1896 Barber Quarter Dollar Coin. The 1896 Barber Quarter Dollar steps into a higher tier of desirability due to its noticeably lower mintage and more pronounced condition rarity. By the mid-1890s, the United States economy was recovering from earlier turmoil, yet mint output for quarters remained conservative. Philadelphia struck approximately 3.8 million pieces, while branch mint contributions added complexity to the series. Despite these figures, survival rates in collectible condition are significantly lower due to widespread circulation and later silver melts during periods of bullion recovery. Design characteristics remain consistent with the Barber motif, yet the quality of strikes in 1896 can vary. Some coins exhibit crisp detail in Liberty's wreath and the Eagle's shield lines, while others show softness due to die fatigue or insufficient striking pressure. Collectors carefully evaluate these attributes, as strong strikes significantly enhance desirability and market value. One of the compelling elements of the 1896 issue is its scarcity in higher grades. While lower-grade examples can be found with patience, coins that retain strong detail, minimal wear, and original surfaces become genuinely rare. This scarcity fuels competitive bidding among advanced collectors and registry set participants striving to secure top-ranked examples. Error coins from 1896 add another layer of intrigue. Misaligned dies, off-center strikes, and minor doubled elements occasionally appear, reflecting the mechanical limitations of 19th-century minting equipment. These errors, when authenticated, often command substantial premiums and attract specialized collectors who focus exclusively on mint anomalies. Market values reflect the coin's growing reputation. Circulated examples maintain steady appreciation, while certified mid-grade and high-grade specimens often sell for several $1,000s. Auction records consistently demonstrate strong demand, especially when coins display attractive toning and strong eye appeal. Collector demand for the 1896 Barber Quarter is driven by multiple motivations. Set builders view it as a semi-key date. Type collectors appreciate its classic design and silver content, and long-term investors recognize its historical stability within the rare coin market. Educational collectors also value it as a teaching piece for grading, strike analysis, and die diagnostics. The historical narrative adds emotional weight. These coins circulated during a time of industrial expansion, railroads, and shifting social dynamics in America. Every worn edge and softened letter tells a story of commerce, migration, and daily life more than a century ago. This tangible connection to the past enhances collector attachment and perceived value. As population reports continue to confirm limited availability in higher grades, the 1896 Barber Quarter remains positioned for sustained interest and incremental appreciation. Its balance of affordability in lower grades and scarcity in premium grades ensures ongoing participation across all collector levels. 1898 Barber Quarter Dollar Coin. The 1898 Barber Quarter Dollar stands as one of the most intriguing and sought-after dates in the entire Barber Quarter series, primarily due to its extremely low mintage and true rarity across all grades. Philadelphia produced approximately 1.8 million quarters that year, making it one of the lowest mintages of the series. Unlike some coins where mintage does not directly translate to rarity, the 1898 issue genuinely exhibits scarcity due to heavy circulation and limited hoarding at the time of release. Design quality for the 1898 quarter varies significantly, with many surviving examples showing weak strikes and substantial wear. Liberty's headband inscription often fades early, and the eagle's feather detail can be indistinct even on moderately circulated coins. Strongly struck examples are rare and command significant premiums. Collectors place immense value on coins that display full detail, original surfaces, and minimal disturbances. The scarcity of the 1898 Barber Quarter creates intense collector competition. Even low-grade examples attract attention because of their difficulty to locate. Mid-grade coins become exponentially rarer, while high-grade survivors are genuinely scarce and often appear only occasionally at major auctions. Errors and varieties add another layer of fascination. While dramatic errors are uncommon due to limited production, minor die cracks, planchet flaws, and alignment issues occasionally surface. Any authenticated error example from this date often achieves exceptional market results due to compounded rarity. Market value for the 1898 Barber Quarter reflects its elite status. Well-worn examples can command strong premiums compared to common dates. Certified mid-grade coins frequently sell in the multiple thousands of dollars, while high-grade examples can reach five-figure prices depending on eye appeal and certification pedigree. Auction results often draw national attention among numismatic communities due to the coin's reputation. Collector demand remains relentless. Registry set competitors aggressively pursue the finest known examples, while traditional collectors seek any opportunity to secure a representative specimen. The coin's reputation as a key date ensures consistent liquidity and strong price stability even during broader market fluctuations. Historical significance further enhances its appeal. The late 1890s marked America's emergence as a global power following the Spanish-American War, and silver coinage represented tangible economic confidence and national identity. Owning an 1898 Barber Quarter connects collectors directly to that transformative era. Long-term outlook for the 1898 issue remains exceptionally strong. With limited supply, growing collector base, and increasing educational awareness, the coin continues to appreciate steadily. It represents not only financial value but also prestige within the numismatic community. The Barber Quarter series as a whole offers collectors a rich tapestry of history, artistry, rarity, and enduring demand. From the transitional charm of the 1893 issue, through the rising scarcity of the 1896 coin, to the elite rarity of the 1898 quarter, these silver treasures continue to captivate collectors worldwide. Each coin tells a story of American resilience, craftsmanship, and the timeless pursuit of preservation and discovery.